All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public.
South Korea's Hamha Aerospace announced today a $253 million contract with India for a second round of 100 K9 Vajrati self-propelled howitzers. This follow-up order reflects the deepening defense partnership between Korea and India, Jail Sun, CEO and President of Hamha Aerospace, said in today's statement. We will continue to be a trusted, reliable partner for India's defense capabilities in the years ahead, supporting India's vision for defense manufacturing self-reliance. The 155mm howitzers will be built in India by Larsen & Toubro, an Indian manufacturing conglomerate, as part of the country's vigorous effort to increase the amount and value of weapons built in India. The contract was signed at the South Korean embassy in New Delhi. An initial order of 100 of the same self-propelled howitzers was placed in 2017. Prime Minister Narendra Modi rode in one at the plant. The first K9 Vajrati order used more than 50% local materials and parts, according to today's Hamha release. The new contract plans to hit 60%. Defense cooperation between Korea and India has expanded significantly in recent years, encompassing various domains including land systems, aerospace, and maritime technologies, the Hamha release says, mentioning air defense systems and advanced military technologies. That's likely a reference to a Hamha product called Hybrid Baiho, reportedly still under consideration for acquisition by New Delhi's famously sluggish and often unpredictable acquisition system. Hamha Aerospace says in the release that it remains committed to expanding its partnership with India beyond the K9 Vajra program. In 2018, Indian Prime Minister Modi noted his country's strong momentum in our cooperation with Republic of Korea at the Shangri-La Dialogue in Singapore. The two countries elevated their cooperation to that of a special strategic partnership in 2015 and have reinvigorated it since.